on Cracking Careers, and now we're going to talk about a career where you may end up using the telephone booth quite a bit because you're going to be away from home for very long periods. But that doesn't mean that Merchant Navy isn't a good career to be part of. In fact, if you're somebody who loves the open skies and loves the adventure of sailing, then Merchant Navy could be the career that you're cut out for.
That's no ordinary swimming class in progress. That's a training class for survival at sea, and like these cadets, if you were interested in a career in the Merchant Navy, you too would have to take a splash. Merchant Navy officers serve aboard commercial ships that transport cargo and passengers. Depending on your interest, you could choose between the two major departments in this field.
Two different grades of officer. One is a deck officer, another is the engineer officer. So deck officers, they look after the navigational side of the operation of the ship, and the engineer officer is the operation of machineries and the maintenance of the machineries.
Okay, so starboard 20. Starboard 20, sir.
Jobs in the Merchant Navy generally tend to be on a contractual basis, varying from 6 to 9 months in duration. This is one career that takes at least 6 years at sea and a couple of exams to rise from the level of a junior officer to a captain, or from a junior engineer to a chief engineer. And the main attraction is that this career pays really well. A junior officer serving on the deck earns close to 1 lakh rupees per month, while a junior engineer earns anything between 50 to 60,000 rupees per month. Jobs are plenty, be it in private, government or foreign shipping companies. So despite having to stay away from home for long periods, this career has its own thrill.
In other field also, it's not sure that they're staying with their family. They have to be away. But in this field, we have advantage that if we are on vacations, at a stretch we are with our family for 4 months, 5 months. So I think that we are having more advantage than others.
Because you are handling such a project at a young age, and you are given such a vast responsibility with very costly equipments are under you, and I don't think any graduate can get this kind of opportunity, because ship costs $100 million, and in that kind of scenario, one person, when he is in watch, he is the whole and soul.
To enter either the navigational or engineering fields of Merchant Navy, you need to complete a bachelor's degree in nautical science or marine engineering. The T.S. Chanakya in Mumbai trains students for deck-oriented roles, while the Marine Engineering and Research Institute, both in Mumbai and Kolkata, impart training in marine engineering. You could also consider Tolani Maritime Institute in Malegaon, Pune, and International Marine Communication Center, Visakhapatnam. Despite being a largely male-dominated field, the Merchant Navy has its own share of women officers who are as good as their male counterparts. But this number is yet to increase.
It's the disciplined life in this field and the personality development which attracted me most. It's a mindset in our country that women can't be away from their family for such a long stretch. So first, awareness is needed, and then advertisement is also not there. People are not aware that girls can come in this field. Very few people are aware.
The Merchant Navy puts your physical fitness and endurance to harsh conditions at test. But this is one career that offers a thrill and adventure like no other.
Those who want that they should get a lucrative job, a job that pays good. Those who want a challenging life, not the boring life of 9 to 5 job. Well, I think Merchant Navy is the place to be.